Celebrity beyond sailing cancelled, what you need to know. Cruise chaos, last-minute cancellation leaves travelers high and dry. Imagine booking your dream cruise, only to have it snatched away at the last minute. That's exactly what happened to passengers slated to set sail on the luxurious Celebrity Beyond on July 20, 2025. But here's where it gets interesting. The reason behind this unexpected cancellation might just spark a debate about the cruise industry's handling of technical issues. According to an official notification sent to affected guests, shared publicly on Facebook, the culprit behind this cancellation was a technical problem that compromised the ship's speed during its previous voyage. Despite the diligent efforts of Celebrity Cruises teams, the ship requires additional time for thorough assessments and repairs. The decision: cancel or delay. The company revealed that all possible alternatives will wait before deciding to pull the plug on the July 20 sailing. While this move might seem drastic to some, others might argue it's better safe than sorry. Do you think cancelling was the right call, or could they have explored other options? Share your thoughts. ****. A sincere apology and a gesture of goodwill. Celebrity Cruises extended heartfelt apologies for the disruption this causes to travelers' plans. To make amends, they're offering a comprehensive compensation package. Full refund, including non-refundable deposits and prepaid amenities, ensuring guests aren't left out of pocket. Future Cruise Credit, FCC, worth 100% of the cruise fare paid, redeemable on any Celebrity sailing within the next year. Reinstatement of original FCC, if previously used, providing a second chance to utilize this credit. Refund process made easy. Refunds will be automatically processed within 14 business days, streamlining the process for affected guests. For those who book flights through Celebrity, a dedicated team will be in touch to provide assistance. Support for independently booked travelers. Guests who arrange their flights separately are encouraged to contact their carrier directly. However, Celebrity Cruises is showing goodwill by covering change fees up to $200 for domestic flights or $400 for international flights. An additional night of hotel reimbursement, up to $250. And this is the part most people miss: the importance of understanding the fine print when booking cruises, especially regarding cancellations and refunds. Have you ever experienced a last-minute cancellation? How was it handled? Share your story in the comments. Latest cruise news, Celebrity Beyond issues, shark concerns and NCL skip. Buckle up, cruise enthusiasts. The world of cruising is never short on drama, and this week is no exception. From high-tech hiccups to shark sightings and unexpected itinerary changes, there's a lot to unpack. Let's dive into the latest buzz from the cruise industry, brought to you by Cruise Hive. First up, the Celebrity Beyond, one of the most anticipated ships in recent years, has hit a snag. Technical issues have cropped up, leaving passengers and crew alike scratching their heads. But here's where it gets controversial. Some argue that these glitches are just growing pains for a new ship, while others see them as red flags for future problems. What's your take? Next, let's talk about Celebration Key, a private island paradise that recently opened its doors to cruisegoers. While the sun-soaked beaches and crystal-clear waters are a dream come true, there's a catch: shark concerns have surfaced. And this is the part most people miss: these aren't your average Jaws-style predators. They're mostly harmless nurse sharks, but their presence has still raised eyebrows. Would you still take the plunge, or stay safely on shore? In a surprising twist, the Norwegian Aqua skipped a port call on what was supposed to be a picture-perfect day. Why the sudden change of plans? The reasons are still murky, but it's a reminder that even the best-laid cruise itineraries can go awry. Have you ever had a port call cancelled? How did it affect your trip? Meanwhile, Holland America has issued a safety alert, urging passengers to stay vigilant while on board. Safety is always a hot topic in the cruise world, and this alert serves as a timely reminder to keep our guard up, even in the most relaxing settings. And finally, a bit about us. Cruise Hive was born in 2008, the brainchild of Emrys Tocker, a former crew member with an unwavering love for all things cruise-related. From humble beginnings, Cruise Hive has grown into a powerhouse of cruise news, advice, and insider tips. Our News Beacon team scours the web for the latest updates, ensuring you're always in the loop. Want to find your perfect cruise? Check out our booking platform, https://booking.cruisehive.com/swift/cruise?SID =1275518. Looking to connect with fellow cruise enthusiasts? Join the conversation on our message boards, https://boards.cruisehive.com. For more from Cruise Hive, visit https://cruiseaddicts.com/cruise-hive. And don't forget to follow our News Beacon for the latest scoops, https://cruiseaddicts.com/author/TLWP-user-7lu40QBTDWPBQQ. So, what's your verdict on this week's cruise news? Are the technical issues on Celebrity Beyond a deal breaker, or just a minor bump in the road? Would you brave the waters at Celebration Key despite the shark sightings? And how do you feel about unexpected itinerary changes? Share your thoughts in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. Celebrity Beyond heads to Bahamas for urgent repairs, impact on upcoming voyage? In a surprising turn of events, the luxury liner Celebrity Beyond has docked in Freeport, Bahamas, to address technical glitches. This development has left many wondering about the fate of the ship's upcoming voyages. The H-class vessel, launched in 2022, encountered propulsion problems during its last journey, leading to a late arrival in Port Miami on July 20, 2025. With up to 3,260 passengers on board, the decision was made to cancel the already postponed July 20 sailing. Source: https://www.cruisehive.com/cruise-cancelled-for-troubled-celebrity-cruises-ship/181615. This move allowed sufficient time for repairs, which began in Miami overnight on July 20. However, the repairs necessitated a transfer to the Grand Bahama Shipyard, co-owned by Royal Caribbean. According to cruise tracking data, source: https://www.cruisehive.com/cruise-ship-tracker, Celebrity Beyond cruised at reduced speeds, approximately 14 knots per hour, reaching Freeport around 6 p.m. local time on July 21. While the exact nature of the issue remains undisclosed, it seems to involve one of the ship's air support engines. Passengers' footage revealed the 140,600 gross ton ship operating on a single engine as it slowly returned to Miami. Such engine-related issues often require specialized attention in dry dock settings. Source: https://www.cruisehive.com/cruise-ship-engine-room/81289. Interestingly, this marks the first major propulsion setback for the ship in its 3-year operational history. The duration of the repairs is uncertain, but it's not uncommon for cruise vessels to undergo maintenance for engine repairs. What lies ahead for the next departure? As of now, there's no official update on whether Celebrity Beyond's subsequent voyage, scheduled for July 27 from Miami, will proceed as planned. The itinerary includes stops in Cozumel, Mexico, Georgetown, Grand Cayman, Falmouth, Jamaica, and Perfect Day at Coco Cay. Source: https://www.cruisehive.com/things-to-know-about-perfect-day-at-coco-cay-bahamas/32055, Royal Caribbean's exclusive island destination. Should a sailing be cancelled, affected passengers can anticipate generous compensation, similar to the full refunds, travel change fee reimbursements, and 100% future cruise credits offered to those impacted by the cancelled July 20 voyage. Before travelers jump to conclusions, it's worth noting that Celebrity Beyond's presence in the Bahamas doesn't necessarily imply delays for the upcoming journey. The Grand Bahama Shipyard, merely 98 nautical miles from Miami, can be reached by a fully operational cruise ship within a few hours. The key factor will be the length of the repairs. Miami does house shipyards specializing in cruise vessel repairs, such as RMK Merrill Stevens and Jones Shipyard, but they might not have been available on such short notice for the Celebrity Cruises ship. Source: https://www.cruisehive.com/celebrity-cruise-ships/112697. The Grand Bahama Shipyard, jointly owned by Royal Caribbean, Carnival, and the Grand Bahama Port Authority, might have offered a more convenient slot for the vessel. Royal Caribbean's ownership stake could have also secured preferential terms for the repairs. For the latest cruise news delivered straight to your inbox, subscribe to Cruise Hive's newsletter, https://www.cruisehive.com/subscribe. About the author. Katie Coverman is an accomplished journalist and researcher. During the day, she works as a senior research manager, promoting new films and TV series. At night, she indulges her passion for cruise news, contributing to various publications like Cruise Hive, The Plaid Horse, Unwritten, Your Tango, Fangirl Nation Magazine, Chapman Magazine, The Orange County Register, and Voice of OC.